More music on trending.
Hello guys, welcome back to our comprehensive series on JavaScript. Our intermediate to advanced series in JavaScript. In fact, this series is going to help you develop your React Native Android development skills in JavaScript. That is your iOS, Android, and desktop application development using JavaScript. It's an advanced, intermediary or an intermediate to advanced level skill in JavaScript. Concepts like functions, objects, event listeners, hoisting, prototype, closures, event loop, and others. So this basically advanced level in JavaScript. Before we continue, I'll urge you to subscribe to the channel, public to know. Like the video, it motivates us a lot, and leave your comments for any doubts you have, so that I will do my best to answer you. Let's jump in and define or introduce our concepts by defining what is JavaScript. Someone may ask, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is an object-oriented, synchronous, single-threaded programming language. I will explain myself as we proceed, so don't worry, I will explain everything here, assimilate everything very well. Okay, JavaScript is an object oriented, synchronous, single-threaded programming language. And so someone may ask, what is object-oriented? For instance, in our real world, okay, everything in this world is treated as an object. Even human being is an object. Okay, the trees, the water bodies, the houses, the mountains, the landscape, everything is treated as an object. So when we say human being is an object, it means human being have properties, or humans have properties, and a human can do something. So this brings us to the concept of properties and methods in JavaScript. In JavaScript, everything is treated as an object. Variables, simple variables, are functions are all treated as an object. Arrays are treated as an object. So basically everything is an object in JavaScript. Okay, so when I say everything is treated as an object, I mean, when we say, for instance, a human being is an object, a human being or human have properties like height. Okay, human being have property like height, the weight of a human being, the color of a human being, the sex of a human being. All these things are properties, okay, of a human being. That's why when you are filling a form, sometimes they will ask you your name. Your name is a property. Your gender is a property, or your sex is a property of you. Your height is a property of you. And again, when we come to the methods or the functions, I mean, human being can do something. Humans can do something. So human can maybe run. Human can jump. Human can dance. All these things are what we call functions of a human being. So we say in the programming paradigm, we say they are functions or methods. Okay, so let's do small coding here so that you understand let's declare, let's say we have a variable called num, and this variable we store a string, a simple string, like something like hello world. We are storing this string inside this this variable. I want to explain to you why even a variable is treated as an object in JavaScript. This is a variable. Okay? It has a property called length. We want to know the length of this string. Okay, so let's say res res is equal to num dot, you see, these are property length. Let's try to print this. We are storing whatever will happen here inside this res variable. So we want to print this res variable and see what will happen. Okay, so we say console log res. Okay, then let's try to execute it and see what happens. So node, okay, intro.js. The property of num num is an object, so it has a property length, and the length is 11, meaning 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 from here. So here is 11 character. The space here is also a character. The space is a character. So it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It means num as a variable, as an object, has a property called length. So this property is evoked and it's giving us length of 11 characters. Okay, and again, let's try to understand a function side of objects, or objects has what we call a function or a method. Let's change the length, which is a property, into a function. Okay, so let's say num dot num dot upper to uppercase. We want to turn this string into an uppercase or capital letters. Okay, so it means to uppercase is a function, and a function has this curly or this bracket in front. This bracket means it's a function. Because it is a function on an object, or an object performing a certain function, it is trying to turn this string, which is in small letters or lowercase letter, into an uppercase letter. So to uppercase is a function which is being evoked, or which is being used to turn this string into uppercase or capital letters. Okay, so there is a function. It is doing an action. Okay, it is turning a certain string into uppercase. Do you understand? I hope you understand. Okay, so let's try to run it and see. Node it has turned the lowercase letters into an uppercase. So it is an action, or an object perform an action. An object has a property. So when we say JavaScript is an object-oriented language, it means it has properties and methods. Okay, so basically this are what makes programming language like JavaScript a high or an object oriented programming language. Okay, I hope you understand my explanation. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments at the comment section. I will do my best to answer your doubts and clear everything to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Public to Know, because it motivates us to do more content for you like this. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.